further. But with this law is something that is home for me. I too have kids, so of course this is something we'll have to definitely have an open discussion about and see what we can do to more further strengthen the penal code, where the abusers are more not only a slap on the wrist, but punished a little more stringent.
Yes.
So with that, I thank you, and we look forward to walking this law through. Well, first it's either we book it in. It has to go through a standard course. I think we would either discuss it in the Justice Committee before we send it to Council Advice, because maybe the others would like to have an opinion on it, have an open discussion, do a full report, and then let the law take its course by going to the Council of Advice and then returning to us again for us to see if it's all clear, and then we make sure we pass it in the public meeting. It has to take a course.
Of course.
So it will take what? If I have to book this in, call a meeting, should call a justice meeting in the next maybe 2-3 weeks. We call a meeting because we have other meetings pending. And then from there, once everyone gets to weigh in on it, I will then send it to the Council of Advice.